Utie oha extra punk no.
Needs FM.
Over the good thing is that only remember who didn't come on. Me new producers so yeah course be fair private school owners be. And you mudi. They have also confirmed say examination fee ne can was a little below 100 cedis. It's not even up to 100 cedis. Mate me abo schools ni be a fair din one kan ha. So I'm surprised that La Paz. Omo says school fees. In fact, me mu La Paz schools na ni mutia. But me nim school kase pa wala pass ah.
Na New Boy Town no.
Omo says school fees no.
New Boy man no. La Paz nko na e ho.
That be who that can say La Paz.
Me can say La Paz. Me New Boy man.
Ozi.
And the New Boy man in La Paz nko.
Ebi wo baby fufuro bi offer.
Say be akaswa so.
Wo na ja.
Hello.
So offer. That be na say kaswa kura no offer kaswa school fees ni nuza o.
Oh yeah sure.
It is a go back to the bomb man ya okay we easily go spend tesa. Anka ya reasonable. That fine no kura make a yeah it is a hall the school fees e nuza o. Ah ya kwala ni de nko work here near about 2470. E wala pass. New Boy Town.
New Boy man.
New Boy man.
New Boy man.
New Boy Town.
Of I be a New Boy man no matter ko easily.
The New Boy Town no a friend say I La Paz side.
Before we do La Paz.
New Boy man.
They were the same area.
New Boy man.
Me nim baby e wadi. Na some pass New Boy man ni wo. New Boy Town 18 mo wadi ya. I was here to ye change hodi ya. Easily go mo New Boy man. Was here ni sa.
400 cities.
Of 400 cities. Nko ka figures abo ni nyina 2470. Ah, no fa.
I said school fees for the term no.
Aye.
GSS 3.
Of an aqua
very serious.
Obey Roja Cote Club be an Mako school of Mutuasi Equatorial BZ.
And some of the
Father Mama Promutuasi could to be.
And father want some $2.
$2 in the offer. I am no Munyato Mubu and Yam was
You see,
I am for the Mubu and Fasu.
I will force saying and a private school operators. At this women sa
of a so budget is a fair private school you own a be. I above 400 cities. What you boy of phone so? What's the other day?
Oshen nkwala no Ojiji bisa.
Kwaye ye tam. And so ko when the school of when the school am in school was sisi ho. Direct class of the chira chere nkwala no. No charges something below 100 cities. Now what was offer easily go New Boy man.
New Boy man.
Ready na me. We was here watching no. Na school ni kura ba ni.
Na o say nyamitin susu na that's the Lord Science International.
Wa she. Akwa si na baby apo bole kwaso ni nyina ye. God is love. Of a me possible body no. With God all things are possible. God is with us international school for no. What would the boom grow for pa?
Come for Yahuwah.
Come for Yahuwah. Yani that's one years secondary school. Ombabu is here.
Ya jaima. Enipa bitimi use system bitimi the book.
Yeah, it's very bad.
Government school be asu ni ho.
Adakabe say me bisa say the private schools no, they are still regulated by GES and then Ghana Education Service. Inti say wosum na wotumi regulate private schools no, because some of the private schools the way they charge fees are what charge no. Abnormal.
That be when it comes to fees in India. When it comes to fees, you know, government doesn't have control over it.
I agree.
Simply because
I agree. They said they should do whatever they want.
That is not that's why they have association, you know.
It must be regulated.
Oko baby you will great room.
It must be regulated.
Me no kurum hai. Achemota school fees are no mutu. You no be na need you kurum they are so.
Debbie.
You get the point.
Debbie, though it was government, no, your government.
And that's your government school.
Yeah.
And I mean, investors say what Ghana have government investors. Even Obi call Legon, the same Legon, Obi a fee paying student, I would higher than do a mainstream student.
Okay, so now that we have approved fees,
now
when the money Adakabe interview GS were approved fees.
Examination fee now you can want them. Private schools doesn't have control over it. And to the president Kasana or say. Even government, the measures at all say under no circumstance
you should charge more,
and I'll be charging more.
And they are charging more than that.
They are charging. This one is even more than
100%
over.
That is why.
Say even 90 cities. No, charging 400 cities. Offer more than 300. They got 9 times 4 guys.
Hey.
So in
offer
the
more than 300, more than almost 500%.
In the end, who is correcting that?
There be
There is an
anything
approved
about
fees.
out. Me no
There is
Say
an
yeah,
approved
okay,
fees.
so no.
Meaning will be charging more than the approved fees.
Education minister and GS will be taking over from the year discussing the president of the private schools association. So near the kasa no. Yamada who fee kura koso. Yeah, the school need yamano. So we are expecting him to also act.
But
Na kyerɛ sɛ ade yɛ ho ano ɛdeɛ na bɛ motivate a private school proprietor so ɔbɛgyegyegye sɛ sika no na wasan di na akwadaa bi sɛ out of the 2,470 no wɔtua biribiara na outstanding 400 na ɛyɛ supposed registration fee for BC no ɔmfa mmae ɛno nti yɛma no ntwerɛ
Yeah, by obi message bi or they sending me a can me. Yes, akwala no. Is that examination no mo question. Or the cat say T row fees a one fatty row number. Ofa. Who ne T row? Eje e ba kuna mde be pom san ko eze. Jumbo side tissue no. I be kwa kwala ne ba school and ye obekọ ayane so. We wi oba pipa ne senti oba school.
most of the schools you.
Most of the schools je but they me point say ya ma kwala na go tell because of T row.
Oh, how?
Ah, what they can want to. What the cat hero was so akwaja ne na pipa ne to you obi de. And was what the de ne ba.
ɛno nti
Amana kwature exams. No for we nyina say be except your fanya mo accept.
Na pempen so aye du.
ɔmo yɛ business ɔmo yɛ investors businessmen and women and answer ɔmo yɛ educationists
They are not educationists. They are in to make money. You know the private schools. You see, Adakabe, there are questions we need to ask. I didn't think they made them back of private school. Those are some of the big questions Ghanaians are asking. Why should I take my child to a private school? I'm taking my child to a private school because of the poor management of your basic school. And you and I agree. Adakabe, go to Medina. Cluster of schools should be with Medina. There were number 1, number 3. There are classrooms, sir. They don't have a desk to sit on. There are schools who don't have, appropriate teachers to teach them. One day, just try, go to the government schools, basic schools, and go and look at situation here. Government schools, the condition of the school, the conditions of the headmaster, the condition of even the teachers. So what I say, you see, these are some of the things that we need to take serious as a nation. Well, why are we not equipping the basic school, the government basic school, and also attractive? Why are we not making the government basic school attractive like the private sector, the private schools? The government have every means, have all the resources to make sure say you be equip young basic school no, to the standard of a private school. And go to the private school and go and look at the caliber of people who are teaching there. They are nowhere near the qualification of the people teaching at the government schools. I'm telling you, I know private schools who are teaching, who are using secondary school leavers to teach people, and they pass well. They have good records. And then our government schools, rather, they have qualified teachers from our University of Winneba, and then Cape Coast University. They are from good what do you call it? Our teacher training. We say professional teachers. And they are not meeting the target. Yes. That is the question, because
I'm asking you.
The thing is that you see the as support. No
issue now you discuss. We see MP solution.
The support.
Yeah.
My friend Ghana Education Services here. Now the opinion so ne me can say. Ebeye papa say can you pour send this information in my own. Ompe omon friends say bill no. Ompe copy mine. Na so obi atu e bi MP receipt in fanka ho. Na nya evidence na nya bibi nyina so. Na yemfa asotwe bi ho no ma.
It bill no a ye
bill na prepare the man no. Because no na be kire say ampa. Examination fee na ya twira ma no ye 400
na ampa so akotua.
Ampa so akotua.
Okay.
Eno ena ba mi ehunu say wabu wayek mra so, wabu GES mra so. They all kind of private schools no, they are not regulated by GES.
Omo ya dompe.
They are regulated by the president. President in any GES here, and no match ready also moye. No no kwa wako regulate. Enti no muswati omukuo no. But GES need direct control. Direct control. Ewo omo activities ne so. But we say na yeah examination, you know. Examination need depend on omo betimi aka ho asem. And also betimi aka ho asem a. I just a bill no omo prepare no. Omo ma yen copy. No omo the receipt okotua ye no. Ampa otua 2,470 na. saa 400 cities wey ne ka ho bi no yenya no so ka ho a
Ne
na fe yenya bibi agina so na dey atwe school na yaje obi asika ama ne ba
but nanake asema kwa na make an say why should some identity so be in back private? Those are some of the questions we should be asking. Why there are government schools? Why should add in amount for prefer so a choice?
Yeah.
But me who say you have no choice say if you want your child, if you open say obano oko kanga and I say osua de man hotono send ya open say obane ye no say open sadia then you better choose the private school.
That is not the case.
Because the government schools, look, I said
George,
class schools of Madina.
That is
two
not the
schools.
case.
They have classrooms, sir.
George,
There are no desk.
Private
Manko
school.
private school.
Are you saying say we made Omuko private school they are better than
Masa yen me aban school it was under the supervision of VRA, Volta River Authority.
No, that government school
they were provide and they were government school.
That is the point I'm making.
Books
Of a
and I teaching materials. They were supplying us.
Let me catch you say the renowned personalities in Ghana, about 80% of them went through government school. Man, penny that your mama government school no go.
And I'm just saying, secondary level. But
no, yes, secondary, basic assembly no. Can I? Basically, private school no heard was any home.
So what I say? So
our father cabrita moko basic that private school heard was say.
Okay, let us accept.
The point I'm making is
I say some
we
of
have
the
problem with the basic government
George,
schools. Basic.
Young message. You say some of the schools at the public sector.
Utie Oha Extreme Punk no.
Needs FM.